Hello, third grade students. To start off our lesson this week, let's review some recorder notes and then I'll give you your assignment. So, right now, we know that to make a nice sound in the recorder, we blow gently that foggy window breath air into the top of the recorder. We know that we hold our left hand on the top of the recorder and our right hand on the bottom while we're playing. And we know that when we blow in, we're whispering to make a sound. Let's go over some of the notes that we've learned. Our first note was B. To play B, you take your left hand thumb, put it on the hole in the back of the recorder. Then you take your left hand pointer finger and cover that first hole. Our recorder note B sounds like this. The next note that we learned is A. You keep everything the same from B and you add your second finger. This is what A sounds like. And next is G. G, you keep everything the same from A and you just add your third finger. Listen to what G sounds like. So we have B, A, and G. Remember, if you're getting squeaks, it may be because you're blowing too hard into the recorder or your fingers aren't quite covering the holes all the way. Notice how my fingers aren't really covering the holes? They need to make sure you have those flat pancake fingers covering the holes all the way. For your assignment this week, I want you to play line 1 and 2 of Hot Cross Buns. We did line 1 previously, but now this time it's going to be for your white belt. In third grade, you are going to get a recorder belt. I'm either going to send them to your classroom teachers when we get back into hybrid teaching, or they'll be left out for you, and then I will write your names on certain belts when you receive them. You'll only get a belt if you play through the belt song, and I need to give you a grade for each of the songs that you play. Sometimes I may ask you to replay the song for me next week and give you some notes on things to fix. That means that you won't get your belt that day, but you will get your belt, or you can try for your belt again next week. I want to make sure every single person can get as many belts as they possibly can until the end of the school year. So I'm going to open up just white belt for now. Once everyone's gotten their white belt, or once we're most of the way through white belt, I'll open up yellow belt. If you would like to listen to our white belt song, you can come to the Music K8 Recorder Karate Dojo. When you get to the main page, you're going to click the streaming audio button. When you click that, I hopped right into the files, but for you, it'll ask you for a username and password. The username is karate in all capital letters, and the password is rubric. I'll be writing this in the written up part of your Google Classroom assignment. I also have given it to you in your Recorder Karate packet as well. When you get to this page with all of the files, you can listen to each one individually. So if I want to listen to Hot Cross Buns, the full performance, that means both the recorder and the music, I'll just click the play button. So now I know what the song sounds like. I could also do the accompaniment, that is just the piano. There is a slow version and there is a fast version. For now, you're only doing the first three. Notice it says hot cross buns here, and there's actually a little circle with the color of the belt. So we're only doing the white belt piece for now. Once you've recorded your hot cross buns and sent it to me, then you're done for your assignment this week. That's all for our music lesson this week. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.